Let me ask you guys, so what does reliability mean to you? You in the back, what does it mean? Huh? Everything. Reliability is everything in your manufacturing, your packaging line, right? What we're going to show you today, FoxJet makes a wide range of inkjet labeling products, but we also carry the Linx brand of continuous inkjet printers for basically printing on small character on porous, non-porous materials, for doing date codes, lock codes, those types of things. Okay, you also want some mints? I'm not saying you need them, but...
Gonna need them after this.
So the question is what makes the Linx system more reliable than the other competitive systems out there? A couple of things. I can see I got everybody's attention, don't I? More beer? You want some beer, folks? You in the back? Free beer? Just come on up. The Linx system is the only system out there with a fully sealed print head. Everybody else has all their little bits and components in here. You have to make adjustments. When you have to clean it, you have to pull some other screws out, take some other pieces out, clean them up. This one here, when you clean it, hose it down once, let it dry, you're done. Only takes about 2 or 3 minutes max. The other thing, with the new 7300 printer, the standard interval cycle between maintenance on most continuous inkjet printers is either 1,200 to 2,000 hours. With a 7300, because it's got more smarts built into it, it can actually go up to 6,000 hours between maintenance cycles. That's when you have to change out the filters, refresh the ink, all that sort of stuff. So that's a substantial savings. That'll cut your maintenance costs by as much as 1/3 with just this system. This system also has a solvent saver. What that is, solvent is the ink that, the part of the, it's really not the ink, it's kind of the clear stuff you put in there that keeps everything going just right. And solvent is the largest consumable that's used by any continuous inkjet system. This one has a device in it that can actually cut your solvent usage by 40%. So substantial savings in what you have to pay to operate this thing day in and day out. Does anybody here have continuous inkjet printers? Anybody ever turn? Yeah, they do smell sometimes, but that's what makes them work too.
But you're able to save a lot of those vapors.
That's correct. That's essentially what happens. There's actually a little suction device in here which pulls those vapors back and recondenses that and then uses that reuse. That's what that solvent saver does. Okay. Does anybody else, if you want some information on this product or any FoxJet's other products, please come by and stop by and give us your thing, your badge, the little credit card looking thing. Or you can give us real credit cards too. We'll take those. Size, capability of the printer. You can actually, this printer will actually run 3 lines of text. It'll do barcodes, the ID matrix code, which is a little square code. It'll go up to 1,200 feet per minute, depending on the configuration. So we can do everything from high-speed can lines to the slower speed lines where you got to put several lines of information on there. Very good for both glass, cans, non-porous plastics, all that kind of stuff. The other thing that this printer has on it is how many people have put wrong codes on your products? Does that happen? Okay, I know. I've seen you do it actually. The actual #1 issue with codes is putting the wrong codes on, not that people can't read them and this and that. One of the things that all the FoxJet products have is what we call a scan and shoot feature. In other words, you can scan, tie the message to an actual barcode. So all the operator has to do is pull out what they're going to package, scan the barcode on it, and it will associate that with the correct message and automatically set up. Not only does this system have it as a standard, so do all our other systems have that feature built into it. So that alone can pay for itself in one mistake. So if you got any more questions, come on in and see us. Have a couple of drinks on us. Please do. Get a refill if you'd like. We're happy to have you here. And don't forget to ask about we'll show you actually what the total cost of ownership of all these systems, including ink, maintenance, service, the whole bit. And we'll show you what it is, compare it with some other technologies available to you today. And if you do that, actually, we were having the show for a iPod Touch. Is that what it is? iPod Touch system. So come on in.
Yay!